Today we are going to learn about clamping diode circuit. First we saw the operation of the diode, which are forward and reverse bias. Then we saw or understand a clipping circuit which is used for cut or remove the portion of positive or negative half cycle or cut the peak of the waveform. Okay, now we see clamping diode circuit. So what is clamping? Clamping means placed or shifting without changing its property. Okay, so as we see in electronics, a property kind of voltage, or we can see their amplitude or shape, it's not gonna be changed, but the waveform is going to shifting or placed. Okay, so in clamping circuit, changing or shifting DC level of the signal to desired level without changing the shape in the sense of amplitude. So this DC level is says as a 0 in waveform. This is 0, so this level we consider as a DC. Why DC? Because this 0 and this line, which is not going to change, it would be fixed for all the waveforms. Okay, so we consider as this DC level. So this is fixed. Okay, there is no changing any polarity. This is fixed line. Okay, it's called DC level, which is as a reference we take as a DC level. Okay, so from the DC level the waveform will change its position. Okay, so it is called clamping circuit. So changing the position in the sense move whole signal up or down. How it can be? Let's see one example to more understand this. See, this is the waveform which is input. Okay, so we get the output from the diode Vmax, plus Vmax and minus Vmax. Okay, so we start from the with the reference of the 0, and this is the waveform of input. Now if we get upper side, or we can say positive phase. Okay, so positive direction, we get the waveform at that time 0 would be here, or DC level would be here, but the waveform is change its place like this. So start from the Vmax, start from here. So start from Vmax, so its amplitude it not going to be changed. That's why it's go from its 0 to Vmax. Then the output will go Vmax to 2 Vmax. Okay, so output will go to 2 Vmax and comes to Vmax. Okay, so if this waveform goes upper side or positive side, it's called positive clamping circuit. Okay, and if you can see here in this waveform is placed in negative side phase. Okay, so in this negative side phase, start from the minus Vmax. Okay, and then goes as the same amplitude at the negative side, so it will measure with minus 2 Vmax. Okay, so this is in downside or minus side, or you can say negative side. That's why it's called negative clamping circuits. Okay, so you understand the function of the clamping. Now let's see its type. There are main 3 types: positive, negative and bias clamper. Okay, alright. This clamper is also called DC restore and AC shifter. Why? We can understand this by understand the operation of the capacitor in this clamper. Okay, we know already what capacitor does. This store the DC charges, or you can say this is the plate of the metal, and in the middle there are substance which are dielectric, or you can say insulator, and these two plates are conductor, okay, or metal. Okay, so from these plates they are store the charges positive and negative. Alright, so this is the stored charges which is in DC level. Of course, they are the charges or ions are not moving any side, this fixed in this place, and which is the depend on the capacitance of this capacitor. Okay, it could be in the micro, or it could be in a milli too. Okay, microfarad or millifarad. Okay, so this is the function of the capacitor. So when apply the voltage on this circuit, capacitor will charge and discharge when connect the path. Okay, so this capacitor is restore or store the DC charges for shifting the level of AC, which is respect to time period. We know the input which is already the same as well as store in the capacitor. Okay, so we get the store charges also and input charges also. That's why, because of the reason, there are shifting the waveform upper side or downside, or you can say positive and negative side. Okay, because of the storage charges or electricity in the capacitor. So this depend on a time period, you can say T or tau. Okay, so it is from the R and C resistance and capacitance. Okay, so this is important terms, resistance and capacitance of the capacitor and resistor, how much electricity or current will flow from the output side. So this is the function of the capacitor in clamping circuit. Another thing we see here, which is application: radar system, protect amplifier and voltage multiplier. Why? Because we shifting the waveform Vm to 2pm, so is multiply the voltage, that's why it's called voltage multiplier. Okay, this is also used for the appliances at home also. Alright, now we see the radar system and protect amplifier. If we take the reference of the DC voltage, the waveform would be go upper side or downside, so we take the reference of it, and if we get the waveform from this value or the reference, it would be damage the amplifier or any electric circuit. So that's why it is used for as a protector. So amplifier means what? They amplify the signal. Okay, so increase the signal. Okay, so if increase such as that position, that amplifier would be damaged. So protect the amplifier, we use clamper for this. Okay, in a radar system always we see the reference of it, the object which are moving, how would we move it, positive or negative waveform, we can understand the object which is going in which side or which direction. Okay, so this is also applicable in radar system. All right, this is all depend on the DC level, which is going upper side or downside. Okay, now we see two types today, positive and negative clamper. Okay, in positive clamper, why it is called positive clamper? Because the input waveform shifted to the positive side, or you can say upper side. Okay, positive direction is shifted, that's why it's called positive clamper. All right, now we see here, when A is positive with respect to the B, or you can say in positive half cycle, diode which is in a positive and it is cathode. All right, so this diode is become in a reverse bias. All right, but how capacitor will charge? Now see, this is positive ions we get from the positive terminal. Okay, now you see the positive charge will come here. Okay, the capacitor will charges or store only positive ions, but what about negative ions? This capacitor is not getting any negative ions. Okay, so this is charged but not fully charged. All right, so it after place the positive ions in this plate or this plate, this move like this, so ions will store in these plates, then it will pass positive charge like this. So here is not any working path, so it's called the open circuit because diode is in a reverse bias. Okay, and the capacitor will not fully charge, there is only positive ions, but it is with the reference of the capacitance only it is stored in it, but then pass positive ions from this path. Okay, so there is output as input. All right, now we see in a negative half cycle, at that time A is negative and B is positive. Okay, now in this time diode is become in a reverse bias. Okay, so we get the negative half cycle. This cathode capacitor will charge fully. All right, so first we have all positive ions and then negative ions are there too. All right, so capacitor will charged. Okay, why? Because of the more positive charges. First it get positive charges, then negative, so fully charged. Okay, at that time we get Vi based off forward bias diode, and this capacitance charge with positive ions and connect with the negative. Okay, positive ions combine to the negative ions, then fully charged, that's why it's passed through it. All right, so from that we get plus Vm, okay, which is charged capacitor, and plus 2 Vm because of another Vm, plus Vm from the capacitor, and another Vm comes from the input because of the forward bias. So we get output at the positive side. Okay, why? Because first capacitor will half charge or partially charge because of the positive ions. Okay, not negative ions. So positive charge would be there, and then negative ions are there because of the forward bias or cathode of the diode, and then which is passed through this path. Okay, so there are, because of the positive ions we get input, and the capacitance stored charges, we get this waveform which is positive side. Okay, not negative side, which is positive side. So 0 is here or DC level is here, and the waveform would be in a positive side, Vm and plus 2 Vm. Okay, now we see in a negative clamper. Here A is positive with respect to the B, so B is negative. Okay, at that time diode is become in forward bias. Okay, here is positive, diode is in forward bias, so circuit would be as a behave like a closed path. So this is flow of the current. Okay, here is positive and here is negative, but current will flow, it would not be stored upon here. Okay, but in negative side, if A is negative with respect to the B, so A is negative with respect to the B, at that time diode is becoming forward bias. Okay, so because of the negative charges which is connect to the capacitor, and diode will be in fully charged. Okay, so we get the output in reverse bias. Okay, so we get this input and of course the charges of this. Okay, that's why because of the negative half cycle, we get the output in negative side. So minus Vm, then minus 2 Vm. Okay, alright, so this is the positive clamper and negative clamper. So this is the operation of the positive and negative clamper, but we can more understand why this shifting positive and negative by the polarity of the capacitor. This is the capacitor we are connected, but mostly we are not understand by this capacitor, so we use as understanding purpose. We see this is positive and negative terminal, just consider. Okay, of course this is also happen in here also, but more understanding and more clear this concept, let's understand. To take the capacitor which has polarity. Okay, so in positive half cycle, in positive clamper, diode which is not connecting. Okay, but here is positive ions are there in the capacitor, but in negative half cycle negative charges are also there. Okay, so in this capacitor which is block this DC charge, DC current, or you can say that DC ions and flow AC ions, so the ions will flow positive to negative. Okay, that's why it's go this positive to negative. Alright, now this depends only on the polarity of capacitor. Okay, that's why it is positive to negative, so it's adding plus Vm, or you can say this Vi, get Vm from the input and also capacitor. That's why it's twice, but it is going positive to negative, that's why it goes on upward side. Alright, now here diode is in first in a plus and this is anode, so first is become in a forward bias. Okay, so this is plus, so diode which is connect and this circuit will become in a closed path and current will move like this. Alright, at that time change the capacitor polarity which is negative and this is positive. Okay, so first is positive and here is polarity which is negative, so attract to each other. Alright, so this is going to combine ions. Alright, but in negative half cycle, diode which is in a reverse bias, this is negative and this is positive, so diode which is in a reverse bias, so this is negative and this is negative, so it would be repel to each other. Okay, so it will go negative to positive. Okay, so it's shifting into the negative side and go to the positive side. Okay, of course you know in a AC current which is fluctuated or the polarity changing rapidly, so because of that negative to positive charges, so negative minus Vm from the capacitor and then again minus Vm from the input side, so minus to plus, so negative to positive will go up to 0 and then again in negative side because of changing the diode forward and reverse bias. Okay, so this is depend on the polarity of the capacitor. Here is positive to negative, that's why it's go first positive and then negative side, so it will go plus to 0. Okay, and here is go minus to 0 and then again minus side, so it's depend on the polarity, positive to negative in positive clamper, then negative to negative, in negative clamper, negative to positive. Okay, so this is the main concept of the positive and negative clamper. We will see next time bias clamper. I hope you understand the concept of clamper diode circuit. Thank you for watching.